Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Word file and making one last quick check. Make sure it's saved. Remove tracked changes or accept edits so the output is clean. Confirm page size, margins, and embedded fonts. This preserves layout when you create the PDF. Once done, save a backup copy with a new name like File Name Final. You're ready to export, and you'll avoid rework by fixing layout issues now rather than after conversion. You now choose File, then Save As or Export, depending on your Word version, and pick PDF as the format. In the dialog, select Optimize for Standard for best quality or minimum size for sharing. This controls image compression. Click Options to include bookmarks, document properties, or specific pages if needed. Name the file and choose a folder, then click Save. This method embeds fonts and preserves layout so the PDF matches your Word doc. You finish by opening the exported PDF and scanning pages for layout shifts, missing images, or broken links. If text or fonts look different, return to Word and enable font embedding in Options, or use Print to PDF as an alternate method which often flattens layout. If images are missing, reinsert high-resolution originals and export again. One key troubleshooting tip: if links don't work, ensure they are full URLs and that you export.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.